So once you've soldered everything together, if you want to be able to hang your piece, you're gonna have to add a little hook to do that. The easiest way to add a hook is just to use a paper clip. So what you can do, you can use some of these little metal nippers, or wire cutters, and you can cut down a paper clip so you have a nice little hook shape, all right? When you're adding a hook, you can't add it like in the middle of a piece of glass like that, because there's not enough material or solder for that to grip onto. So you've got to kind of think strategically about how your piece is going to hang and how it's going to balance, and you have to put a hook on a seam. Okay? Okay. So you're going to just kind of pinch it just so it stays in place. So you can see how that little hook is just kind of straddling that seam. I'm going to flux it. And then I'm just going to grab a little glob of solder, and the solder will stick kind of right on top of and around that end of the paper clip. Okay? So then you'll do that like on both sides. I didn't flux that, but let's just throw it on there. Okay? And as long as it's kind of like sandwiched on there, you're good. And that hook, when the metal cools, will be strong enough to hang your piece. You could do just like one hook if you wanted and put a piece of ribbon on it. You could do 2 hooks, and I have some chain that you can use to kind of finish it off and hang it in a window or something. Okay, let's cut that, make a short